everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay with another Tipsy Tuesday tip for you. Let's make some Hollandaise sauce. So simple, so easy. A couple of egg yolks. We're gonna whisk in some lemon juice. Pinch of salt. This is like super duper simple. No scary double boilers or anything. And then we're gonna slowly whisk in some melted butter. Now all we're gonna do is pop it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Look at this. Give it a quick whisk. And I'm sorry, it's perfect with the spear of asparagus. Let's give it a taste. It's easy breezy.